Hey guys, welcome back to College Eats. It is me, Jill, in my kitchen actually, and today we are going to be cooking Girl Scout inspired recipes because last week was the 107th anniversary of Girl Scouts of America. Crazy. So yeah, I hope you're getting back into the swing of things on campus, and if you're not, you can just cook these and say I eat them. So stay tuned. So the three cookies we're going to be using for the recipes are trefoils, Thin Mints, and Savannah Smiles. So the first recipe are trefoil, toffee, and chocolate bark. So you're going to start by taking half a box of trefoils, spreading them out on a pan, and either doing a reusable sheet or something like that, and then taking 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar with half a stick of butter and mixing it together. Once you have that, you're going to put it in the microwave in 30-second intervals, mixing in between until they are fully incorporated. So now we poured the mixture over the cookies, spreading it pretty evenly, getting all of them coated, and then we are going to pop them in the oven for 10 minutes at 350. And then while we are doing that, we're also gonna be boiling 1 cup of chocolate on a double boiler. Okay guys, we have our trefoils here. They're looking great, and we are going to transfer them right here to this makeshift cooling rack. So let's go, 1, 2, 3, ta-da! All right, so now we have our chocolate. We're gonna do an even little spread. Boop, 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 boop. All right, so now that we have spread the chocolate, I am gonna take some crushed almonds and spread those over because yum. And then we have 1 cookie that we saved and crushed that we're also gonna add as a garnish that's like both functional and delicious and looks cute. So save 1 cookie, forgot to tell you that, but now you know. Save the cookie and just kind of crush it and put it there. And once you do that, you're going to put it in the fridge to cool for at least an hour. And then once you are patient and wait that hour, you will get to have these cookies. So get hype. All right, next up are the Savannah Smiles Muddy Buddies. So the first thing we're gonna start with is 1/4 of a cup lemon curd, 1/4 of a stick of butter, and a little splash of vanilla. We're gonna incorporate that with 1 cup of these white chocolate kind of tablet things, and we're gonna put them in the microwave, same as before, alternating 30 seconds, mixing until they're fully incorporated. And then we are going to add that to our 4 cups of Czech cereal. Okay guys, so now that this is all incorporated, we are going to add it to this, boop, 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 and start mixing before it dries. Quick, I feel like I'm playing hot potato. And then we're going to mix, kind of scrape the edges, go in the direction that is the right direction. We're gonna fold them just like a piece of paper. So now that it is incorporated, we're gonna add it into the bag. So we're gonna open her up, put it in. Okay, so now that we have the mixture in here, we're going to add our crushed cup of Savannah Smiles and powdered sugar in, and then seal it up real good. And shake like you're at a dance party, and you flip and you shake, and yeah, it's weird, this bag's kind of warm, but keep going. So now we are going to let this sit for an hour, and when we're done, maybe sprinkle a little powdered sugar for garnish, and get ready to eat them because they look really good. Alright guys, we're at our final recipe. This one is Thin Mint Truffles. So we're starting out with half a box of Thin Mints that we are going to add to a food processor and pulse until they are thinly crushed but not a powder. So we're going to do that. Alright, so now that we have our crumbs, we're going to add them to this bowl and incorporate them with the half a stick of cream cheese. Alright guys, so now that we have our mixture, we are going to scoop these and make them into little truffles. So I am just covering them and then adding the toppings before the chocolate hardens because that is crisis time. All right, now that they are done, you can put them in the fridge for a half hour to set and dry and then devour them because they look so good. They look like little Mike Wazowskis. Okay guys, so here we have our 3 recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you make them yourself. We have the Savannah Smiles, the trefoils, and the Thin Mints, so if you're looking for some, I would check out Shine because there are always Girl Scouts there selling, and it's really great to support, especially during International Women's Month. We love women and having a woman-dominated crew. Sorry, Lewis. And yeah, so if you are not bored of us yet, follow us at SU College Eats on Facebook and Instagram, and I will see you next week. Adios.